3, 2, 1, action. 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 Edgy, action.
This is the edge of exercises. I think that we're going to be doing nothing.
What do you mean we're doing nothing? We're just. Oh, you little troll. So Scientist Edge is doing part 2 of the mystery egg from Australia. So it takes about 48 hours for this egg to hatch in the water, and he's just going to show you what came out of the egg. Go ahead and pull out what it was. What it was.
I'm going to take out for the egg.
Oh, look at all that water flowing out. So
the egg.
That's the eggshells. Oh! And what came out? Show everybody. Wow, is that a bird?
I think so.
Can you come close? Can you come around here to the camera and put it next to the camera so we could see? Is it a bird? Let's see what this is. Is this a dodo bird? Because it's from Australia, right? I think this is a dodo bird. If anyone in the audience knows, should let us know. But this is what came out of it. Isn't that cool, Edge?
No. It's silly.
It's silly. What are you gonna name the dodo bird that came out?
I'm gonna name it Edge of Exercises. Edge of Exercises. Edge of Exercises. Edge of Exercises.
Okay, we get it.
Exercises.
We get it.
Bye bye, everybody.